Affordable drones can still deliver exciting flights, fun features, and impressive aerial views. Best drones under $100 offer beginner-friendly controls, durable designs, and useful features like altitude hold, one-key takeoff, and HD cameras without exceeding your budget. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. RELIDOL Quadcopter Drone under $100. The RELIDOL Quadcopter Drone under $100 is a feature-packed option for beginners and casual drone enthusiasts looking for an affordable aerial photography experience. One of its standout features is the remote controller with a built-in display, allowing users to view live HD footage and monitor flight information without connecting a smartphone. The 1080p HD camera with an adjustable 80-degree lens captures clear photos and videos from unique angles, making it useful for family gatherings, outdoor adventures, and even inspecting hard-to-reach areas around the home, helping new pilots gain confidence quickly. Entertainment features like 360-degree flips, waypoint flight, gravity control, and voice commands add excitement and variety to every flight. With 2 rechargeable batteries delivering up to 25 minutes of total flight time, users can spend more time in the air and less time waiting to recharge. Lightweight construction, propeller guards, and no FAA registration requirement make this drone a convenient and enjoyable choice for both indoor and outdoor flying. Number 2. FAKJANK Optical Drone under $100. The FAKJANK Optical Drone under $100 offers an impressive combination of simplicity, stability, and fun, making it an excellent choice for first-time pilots and younger users. Its integrated screen controller eliminates the need for a smartphone, allowing users to enjoy a live first-person view flying experience directly from the remote. The 1080p camera features a 90-degree adjustable lens that helps capture wide-angle aerial photos and videos with ease. This feature makes flying less intimidating for beginners and creates smoother footage during recording sessions. The drone's vibrant LED lighting system adds visual appeal and makes evening flights more exciting and easier to track. Through the companion app, users can access live video transmission and additional flight functions that enhance the overall experience. Its lightweight and portable design allows it to fit easily into a backpack, making it ideal for trips to the park, vacations, and family outings.
Number 3. BLINORY GPS Drone under $100. The BLINORY GPS drone under $100 stands out by offering advanced GPS functionality and intelligent flight features typically found on more expensive models. Equipped with a 2K HD camera and 5 GHz real-time transmission, this drone captures sharper images and smoother live video feeds than many entry-level alternatives. The 90-degree electrically adjustable camera allows users to change viewing angles during flight, making it easier to frame photos and videos exactly as desired. Creative features such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Point of Interest, and Gesture Selfie allow users to focus more on capturing content and less on manually controlling every movement. 2 modular batteries provide up to 32 minutes of combined flight time, extending opportunities for exploration and filming. Brushless motors deliver quieter operation, better durability, and improved flight efficiency. Beginner-friendly features including one-button takeoff, headless mode, optical flow hovering, and adjustable speed settings make the drone accessible to new users while still offering enough performance to satisfy more experienced flyers. Number 4. Pallton Foldable Drone under $100. The Pallton Foldable Drone under $100 is designed to make flying simple, enjoyable, and accessible for pilots of all skill levels. With one-key takeoff and landing combined with altitude hold technology, the drone maintains stable flight and helps beginners learn the controls quickly. Its built-in 1080p HD camera provides clear aerial photos and live FPV video streaming directly to a smartphone, allowing users to experience the excitement of flight from the drone's perspective. Gesture selfie functionality adds convenience by enabling hands-free photo capture during outdoor activities and family events. The package includes 2 modular batteries that deliver up to 24 minutes of total flight time, reducing interruptions and increasing overall enjoyment. The foldable design and included carrying case make transportation easy, whether traveling to the beach, park, or campsite. Additional features such as 360-degree flips, gravity control, trajectory flight, and multiple speed modes create a fun and engaging flying experience that grows with the user's skill level. Safety remains a priority thanks to durable construction, propeller guards, and headless mode for easier navigation.
Number 5. RELIDOL 3D Flip Drone under $100. The RELIDOL 3D Flip Drone under $100 is an affordable and entertaining drone that combines user-friendly controls with a wide range of creative flying functions. Featuring a 1080p HD camera and an adjustable 80-degree adjustable lens, it allows users to capture memorable aerial photos and videos from unique perspectives. Real-time video transmission through the companion app helps pilots monitor their shots while flying, while gesture controls make taking photos and recording videos more convenient. Designed with beginners in mind, the drone includes one key start, altitude hold, optical flow positioning, and stable hovering technology that simplify flight control and improve overall confidence. The dual battery setup provides up to 25 minutes of flight time, giving users plenty of opportunities to practice maneuvers and record content. Exciting features such as 360-degree flips, waypoint flight, gravity sensing, circle flight, voice control, and adjustable speed modes keep every session engaging and enjoyable. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon